This is Masood Hashmi. What we're going to talk about today is how to make mint and coriander chutney. So first of all, this is mint. We have washed it and put this pot. And this is coriander. We have washed it and also we cut into pieces. And these are the ingredients we're going to use. This is small one onion. This is small one tomato. This is green chilies, and I used a long big one, or you can use two small ones. This is 2 tablespoons of ketchup. This is lime, it's about half a cup, juice, lemon juice, and this is vinegar, about half a cup. And besides that, this is red chili, this is zira, this is salt, and this is garlic and ginger paste. So first of all, we're going to put everything in this blender. So this is the mint we're going to put in. This is the coriander we're going to put in. After that, any order, we can put all chilies. This is tomato, this goes in. Onion goes in. Then ketchup goes in. This is vinegar, half a cup, goes in like this. This is lemon juice, half a cup, it also goes in. This is salt and red pepper. We're using red pepper also. You don't have to use it. This is zira, called cumin powder. And this is ginger and garlic paste. So everything is in. So after that, we're going to blend this. We're going to make it liquid form. It should be done by now, but we'll recheck. Looks good. So I'm going to put it in the pot. I'm going to put it in this pot at this time. So this is a chutney. The reason we use vinegar and lemon juice, so it doesn't get bad. So you can, whenever you want to eat, you can just, with the food, you can take a couple of teaspoons out and eat. Enjoy this chutney.